Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we are decoding this problem. If R is the smallest equivalence relation means reflexive, symmetric, plus transitive. What is reflexive? A comma A. What is symmetric? If A comma B is there, then B comma A should be there. What is transitive? If A comma B and B comma C, then A comma C. So you have to talk to this. On set this such that this belongs to your relationship. Great. Then the number of elements in relationship are. Acha, you have to make smallest relation, smallest set. Okay. You cannot consider all elements. So how you will solve these kind of problems? Try to understand. First, what you have to do, make Cartesian product. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Now remove. Look at here. So in your set, you guys have already considered 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3. Now look at here. If they will tell you the largest set, now what you should do, you should consider everything. But they are saying that you cannot consider the largest set, you have to consider the smallest set. So you have to be careful, and whenever you will face these kind of problems, always make Cartesian product first. It will become much more easier. Otherwise your brain will stall. So you should follow this idea only. Now first try to make it reflexive. Reflexive means every a comma a should be there. So this person, this person, this person, this person has to be there. Now think about symmetric. I'll talk to symmetric first because reflexive is done. So if a comma b is there, b comma a should be there. Now look at this element. So this is 1 comma 1. So if 1 comma 1 is there, what you should do? You should find 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 is already there na. Now so it is okay. Now look at here. Here is 1 comma 2. So if 1 comma 2 is there, if you want to make it symmetric, you should keep 2 comma 1. So you kept. Now 1 comma 3. If you want to keep 1 comma 3, which you have to keep, you should keep 3 comma 1 also. So done. Now if you want to keep 2 comma 1, you have to talk to every element. If you want to keep 2 comma 1, your 1 comma 2 should be there. It is already there. If you want 2 comma 2, you should keep 2 comma 2. If you want 3 comma 1, you should have 1 comma 3. It is there. If you want 3 comma 3, you should have 3 comma 3. It is okay. If you want 4 comma 4, you should have 4 comma 4. Correct na? So this is okay. Now I think symmetric is also done. If we will introduce another element in transitive, we will take care it in, we will come back again and make it symmetric. Now talk to symmetric. Look at here, a comma b, b comma c, and a comma c. Suppose you are talking to 1 comma 1, then you will pay attention to that set which will start from 1. So this I have fixed this one. So if 1 comma 1 is there and 1 comma 2 is there, you need 1 comma 2, and 1 comma 2 is there. Now I will change to this. 1 comma 1 is there, 1 comma 3 is there. So you need 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is already there. Now done with this bubble. Now look at here. Now you will consider this. Now you will focus on those sets which will start from 2. Look at here. 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 1 is there. So you need 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 we have already included. Now 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 you need. 1 comma 2 is already there. Now 1 comma 2 is done. Now check this element. So you will pay attention to those sets which will start from 3. So 1 comma 3, 3 comma 3. So you need 1 comma 3. 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 is there. 1 comma 3, 3 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is there. So this set also done. Now you will focus on this. So if you will focus on 2 comma 1, you will focus on the elements which will start from 1. So 1 comma 1. So 2 comma 1, 1 comma 1. So you need 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 is there. 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2. So you need 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 is included. 2 comma 1, 1 comma 3. So you need 2 comma 3. So if you need 2 comma 3, because of this combination, so you have added 2 comma 3. Now it is no more symmetric. So if you have added 2 comma 3, you should remove 2, you should include 3 comma 2 also. Okay, now come back again. You know that you had conversation till this. Now you will talk to next set 2 comma 2. So you will focus on those elements which will start from 2. So 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. So you need 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 1 is there. Then 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. So you need 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is there. Now you will keep this over here. Now you will focus on those sets which will start from 3. So 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1. So you need 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 we have. Then 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2. So you need 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 is already included. 2 comma 3, 3 comma 3. So you need 2 comma 3. You have already 2 comma 3. So done with this also. Now you will talk to this. So if you will talk to this, you will focus on the elements which will start from 3. So if you need 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2, you need 3 comma 2. It is there. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3. So you need 3 comma 3. So it is there. Now you have to talk to this. So you will focus on the elements which will start from 2. So 3 comma 2, 2 comma 1. So you need 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 is included. 3 comma 2, 2 comma 2. So you need 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 is there. 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3. So you need 3 comma 3. So it is there. So done. Now you will talk to this set. So you will focus on the elements which will start with 3. So here. So 3 comma 3, 3 comma 1. So you need 3 comma 1. It is there. 3 comma 3, 3 comma 2. So you need 3 comma 2. So it is there. Done. Now you will talk to the last element, this 4 comma 4. So you will focus on the elements which will start with 4. There is no such element. So all verifications are done. Okay. So how many elements you have added? So required number You know that you have added 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you guys have added 8 elements, 8 new elements you guys have added to make given relationship to be reflexive, sorry, equivalence, keeping in your mind that the number of elements should be very less. Okay, I hope the idea is clear, and whenever you guys will get these kind of problems, you guys can handle accordingly. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.